Okay, now, sharp Godwin. I know say you go easily relate with things like this because at all, men of this street before. Now, I see one funny tweet yesterday. The girl named now Shewa herself. He said once Nigerian men.
You see funny tweet?
Yes, tweet. No, the tweet be like say don't take.
I wonder which platform you take up.
I don't see her for Twitter. I see her for Instagram.
You see tweets. Yeah, you see. Okay, you see funny old tweets. Waiting for Instagram.
Not before Twitter because if that the Geo even talks in another country, they tweet for B.
Oh yeah, continue.
Okay, so the guy say once Nigeria men here I live alone, you automatically become their serious girlfriend. Free chichoyo, one. Free food, two, no disturbance and no need of going to the hotel. Three, that kind of relationship. Now the lady go relocate when now the lady go relocate when she tired because no matter what the man she does, the man not go ever agree end that relationship. That means he not ever agree leave.
The person get fact. The tweet correct because I don't get that experience one time like that. I be the date one girl one time we get her own house.
Guess when live alone.
She dey stay one.
They are the best.
She dey stay better area for Lagos where the house nice. So the house na self-contained. So anytime I go there, things they always dey.
Yeah.
Food dey, drink dey, everything, and of course.
Now I make one of my questions.
So the money where they spend for go dey spend money
less,
hotel.
yeah. So now I get to the live alone.
But that one I get to run. I get to run at one point because that one can't too like me to the point where it can't.
You not can't suffocate
no,
you.
it can't begin to ask for things like leave some of your things here now, and things like.
And one hold you for work.
I want start to the without.
Me taking.
I want start to the without. Now they just always say one start to the without protection. One more.
You want to
Nah, run. Because if they talk about leave some things there without. So what you don't you want for that one time that you just give them money to stock the house.
I say, guy man, you hardly really spend.
I go down call aside they come. Yeah, and they come. What we go?
Yeah.
You understand? So those ones they very nice. And that one said you can't get a car.
Oh, you don't finish. You help on the drive.
So na me they drive.
She gonna give you key.
If we dey go cinema, na me they drive in car.
The ones where I don't miss really because one of those questions why they always ask at that first time, do you live alone? If you say they stay with your papa and mama, it's always a turn off for me. One kind you get.
Yes,
no, it's always a turn
because
off for me.
what the mama and papa think about going out, then go determine whether na
we go really
enjoy
ourselves.
The day where you get chance when you want go, you go say, my mom
and dad has.
My dad said,
Twins daddy, define enjoy yourselves.
So the last one, I'm not gonna ever forget the relationship where I did. But someone I'm not gonna like give you for the guys, they choking too. I'm not gonna like give you, especially when they date somebody when they live alone. Because you know, say this person, if not be herself, she they think about you. Oh yeah, you got there around, you got do this, you got book. If you not deal with her, you are a suspect. Because unlike person when they with papa and mama. You get no. How long you don't live alone?
And when I did university, I live
alone.
alone.
No, they move university and I did hostel. They see me. I say
hostel.
Even off campus.
Okay. Off campus.
Bedroom flats. You have who they do.
You don't think when you start this your waka. Where you for see money to get it? No. More leave that outside.
Becca don't
take for
today don't hold.
Forget which of the hostel.
3 bedroom.
I don't do hostel.
So how many boys you camp? How many boys you camp?
I never camped any.
I know you not use your room well now.
So when I camp boys for my room.
Why you call it 3 bedroom?
No, I just the show say.
Say you want like give me now. You be big girl.
Yes.
No, now your problem don't take when it starts.
Your problem go say.
How you get 3 bedroom? You not get guy when they come visit to come spend night with you.
I don't say it's a no day relationship.
See, you know, let me be sincere.
Wait. You see why I don't camp guys? I get better.
But you the camper.
I have to take camp. He dey go your house.
In the come visit.
He
no suggest to come stay permanent as a
no
student.
Way.
You not able stay like 1 week sometime.
No.
You not try stay. See, Godwin, you know say the chicho you're taking, for your house and her house, difference they always do. You know,
difference
like
Please
the propensity of doing is they always like when you dey her house.
Yes.
Because you want make your neighbor the year of noise. I be waiting.
No,
okay, may I give you an example? No, that one journal. May I give you an example? My ex-girlfriend, I'm very mature woman.
You don't know, man. You just don't know your
See, when I date this woman, when I date this lady,
woman.
10 years, this senior me now.
OG now.
When I date her, I don't like if you, I don't buy cloth money because you get two boutique. Send it for you, bring cloth. You come here, I'm home, come and meet me. And as soon as back on my side, you crossover. Big, you give me cloth, you go do food for me. Or if I even constantly don't cook with me. And now why I like it that you know say when you date somebody when senior you, the respect there's this level of
they
respect.
know how to take care of person.
Jesus Christ.
You know they give this boy idea now.
No, see if you see opportunity date that woman, date other woman, not be person wife or date.
That senior girl, don't be somebody wife.
Not be person wife. Date. So like the care and they get this synergy when they always happen.
Now when they talk this kind of thing, English they fly come from everywhere.
They get where we do
now their
is,
maturity they make the
now
thing
they
they
make
flow.
things sweet. You get so you get where we do is rich. The neighbor when they there, if my babe go out boutique,
No, if your woman go out.
Is my
if your woman go
that kind of
No, be babe.
she go call miss me, call they say you want watch film because she know my house. You get
because
like I wish I be really. You see, I don't know why I never do. Because today I see the house myself. Why I not really.
Maria.
No, take her. No.
Take your
the neighbor
The
now.
neighbor,
join.
yeah,
Your woman.
because she will call you put the allows to. You know when girl they give you green light, say far. Like
She want experience
she
part of
spread
the
doings.
part of the
you get so all those other advantages they always come in because whoever be a neighbor, if na baby lucky, you use one to take it 3 bed or 2.
God, Tarabi.
Third truth. You tell me they never get that kind of experience.
No way. You don't think he's not become bad man.
Not be bad, no,
No,
you just living
like the bad like streets. Now wait till you
no,
talk with that.
I know that I'm gonna call him bad because now wait, see,
na part of the experience
na
wey
part
we
of the
get growing up.
experience, yeah, like
You self do her.
No, all those things. Now I want to tell you, sir. I mean, now in those days, now
You
not
know,
now.
explain
No.
that.
Say yourself, you take your girlfriend, neighbor.
No,
Or you think
no.
about
I'm not one of my girlfriend friend or neighbor or
Yeah.
anybody. No, if I dey concentrate on my girlfriend,
Thank
I need
you.
the
so at
like.
any
Yeah.
point,
No, I not cheat on my girlfriend.
Ogbologbo.
no, not be cheating. I just say you just help somebody.
I know. If I deal with the girl, I deal with the
With the
girl.
way
I
you dey
know
talk, I
true.
dey suspect you know just want to talk
I
truth.
mean, no, true because I dey like me. I be that kind of person. I be one woman man. You understand? If I like girl, I like the girl.
But for your name, no be one woman man, no
Na ladies
ladies man.
man.
Ladies
I
man.
say they confuse us. Leave
No.
Godwin. Oh, come on.
I be one woman man, but for radio, of course, I be ladies man. You know, for this my ladies man, I get 3 categories of ladies.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
They are the single upcoming ladies who are the nurture.
When you dey nurture.
Yes, they are the matured ladies.
When you mean nurture, you dey teach them anything.
I just want to teach them about life and men.
Men, okay.
You
What
understand?
the men
So
particular,
when
how you
they-
take dey teach them
No,
about
I
men?
teach them about the quality of so like when
Practical
when they
dey
don't know
or na only theory?
No, and be the second time. The second time, now matured babes wey no say na them be those one them be like them close well Then the third one na the married women. But only now those one na be the only class of my ladies who I no go ever see because then they married. So for their mind they like me, but I don't want to tell you it's too late. So just enjoy the fact knowing that you dey trip for me for radio, I dey trip for you. We dey date ourselves for radio. Your husband know. Most of them, the husband even know. Say, don't talk to them, your boyfriend, I be fine. The radio, but na radio will end.
simple
But
like
but the other 2 categories, they are possibilities.
You
If
can never
want-
tell.
Yeah, that might be explored.
Somebody send
I
me
like the
message
person you
here.
dey free.
He says like I go try follow senior girl. Oh, see all these small ladies they get plenty.
We get
wahala.
wahala.
See as they jealous my oga na Arabi they talk
Which
about
your oga?
as they talk how the lady they buy am clothes. Say yeah for you no go. Buy his clothes he go fear. Oh. The way die.
I don't wait for that one. Anyway, good experience though. But on a serious note, I think we need to really. And what I also realize, any girl when they live alone, if they hardly they single, you don't notice. Most
Any
girls
girl
when
they
they
live
live, they hardly they because they be hot cake for guys. Guys they always watch out for girl when they live alone. So they most time they always they free.
Maybe like in those days, but these days, most of them want to know these days.
No, I'm not talking about those ones. They stay like you. No. Those ones, no, they're not joined.
Because you get a lot
Those
of
ones
them.
are committee of
Because you
group.
get a lot of them these days where we say then they single, they Because of the way they even they say the kind of things when they get. Now guys they fear to go meet them.
Now few of them.
The only kind of guys who go feel meet them are the ones where know even they're available. Guys like us, we know say we get what it take to get them, but we don't need them because
now those same people. Now the other boys pass.
No, but
they
now
all get one or two. See, they all
yeah,
get one or two.
just to
Alpha man, my body don't do alright.
yeah, whole body and soul together. You understand?
get,
But serious relationship, some guys, single guys, they fear them.
For people only live alone.
A lot of single guys now.
Serious.
They don't get a lot of single guys now. Don't get mind to R&B. You see all this mind when me and you get do what you do when we sing. Even now when we say we as
because our money does spoil her.
Apart from that, self, you know, say you get the one you say want money. You get the one you say you get the money. She just need man. We get mind.
Yeah.
Some of them, you know, guys who are already they intimidated are ahead.
So
the guy come with one kind of SUV where the guy no dream say if he buy for in lifetime. The guy they live for house where the guy get the one that much.
You use your car or press.
People like us, those kind of things that attract us.
I want to prove to you, I will take you and you'll believe. You'll leave khaki for me.
We go help you manage the resources where we say, you go they work hard more to give us more.
God bless you. God, we need to open school.
Don't they encourage small
No, we need to open. No, R&B, we need to open consultancy.
Messages keep coming in. Say, it be like saying, now don't they pack. Now go they package elderly women, give them to take care of their
we go open consultancy on how to help guys get the right kind of woman with them.
Yeah,
we consultancy will go because
and
a lot of guys
also
need
the
that
truth is say
consultancy.
there are a lot of single ladies, especially elderly single ladies. So in helping the guys, we dey also help the
ladies.
women.
Yes.
Okay, you want apply too. 2 points not the interest. God will